Need time to pay off a debt or a big purchase? Let's look at the Wells Fargo Reflect Card and why it's amongst the longest 0% APR offers. It offers 0% interest for up to 21 months on both purchases and balance transfers, as long as you pay on time each month. There's no annual fee, but there's a 5% balance transfer fee, minimum $5, and after 120 days it stays at 5%, no lower tier in later months. After the intro period, APR ranges from 17.24 to 28.99% variable, depending on creditworthiness. Comes with cell phone protection up to $600 per claim, 2 claims a year, with a $25 deductible if you pay your phone bill using the card. It includes roadside dispatch assistance and auto rental collision coverage when you pay with the card, plus the zero liability fraud protection. You get 21 months if you transfer within 120 days of account opening. Missing payments can cancel the extension, reverting to 18 months automatically. Charges a 3% foreign transaction fee, so keep this for domestic debt management, not travel. No rewards program for sign-up bonus. This card is purely for interest-free period, not ongoing benefits. It's ideal if you need long-term interest relief to manage debt or spread out big purchase without paying interest. It's not great for frequent travelers or reward seekers. Choose another card if you're after perks or ongoing cashback. Wells Fargo Reflect delivers one of the longest 0% APR periods, up to 21 months interest free with no annual fee. Just pay on time, avoid extra fees, and it becomes a powerful tool to tackle debt. But once the period ends, switch to a rewards card or pay the high APR.